Okay, it's not just positive thinking or anything like that, but it is built on something far more concrete. It's built on the unchanging character of God himself. In fact, Numbers chapter 23, I think, verse 9, puts it this way. God is not man that he should lie, or a son of man that he should change his mind. Has he said, and will he not do it? Or has he spoken, and will he not fulfill it? See, think about the implications of this. If God could lie, or if God could change his mind like we do, how could we ever trust him? Right? But Scripture tells us that's impossible. Not just that he chooses not to lie, but that he fundamentally cannot lie. We also see that in Titus 1:2 and Hebrews 6:18. So that means that this unchanging nature of God is woven all throughout the Bible.